Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix muted TikTok video or how to use music without copyright detection in TikTok. Before I start, I would appreciate if you leave a like and a subscription. Thank you. First, we will open CapCut or any video editor, and here you can edit any video with any music. You can put any part of the song you want, no problem with that. Now we will go to TikTok. Press Upload and choose the video you want to upload. Now click on Add Sound. And here choose the song you used when you edited the video. For example, if you used Awaken, you search the song here. Select it and press Volume. In Added Sound, you will lower the volume to almost 0, but be careful, never to 0, you must leave it at 1% so that TikTok detects that you are using that audio. And in Original Sound, you must raise it to 100%. In my case, it does not let me because this is an example video that has no audio. Then click on Done, and you can upload the video without having problems of muted audio or copyright problems. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and a subscription. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.